Welcome back to the Logic Unlock, friends. In this video, we will be discussing the book called Introduction to the Algorithm. Just today I have bought this book. This book is really awesome. The people who wanted to master the competitive programming or either want to crack the coding interviews, they must buy this book. So let's check inside what's there inside this book. So let's get started. So we will starting. This book is mainly written by Thomas, Charles, Ronald and Clifford. This is highly written book for especially for data structures and algorithms. It covers all the things right from basic to advanced. It contains the foundations over here, divide and conquer, growth of the functions, probability, stake, setting the orders and statics. The content has been really good of this book. It gives you the boost and it also motivates to go deep and deep. Let's check in detail more about this. It gets a binary search tree, the Fibonacci series, some graphs algorithms, and the most important thing about this book is it also has some mathematical part of the programming as well, such as set, relation functions, trees, matrices, all this stuff. Even previously I have made the video on the number of best books for competitive programming, and it was one of the first books that I put it over there, so you must check that video too. The most important thing about this book is the pseudocodes are written so good that it can be understood easily by anyone. Even the pictures qualities are really good. This is the pseudocode. It can be understood by anyone. So this is the best part of this book is no matter which language you are good in, you can understand this pseudocode as well. The explanation has been really good of all the topics. I felt really good enjoying reading about the mathematical part of this book. Even I feel the mathematics explanation is been quite good, especially from programming point of view. It is good, we can say that. Their explanation, their applications, how to use it, how to code it, they have elaborated it very precisely and cleanly. So this book is overall, if I rate this book, then I would surely rate 4.5 out of 5. This is really helpful book, especially for competitive programmers. So you should check this book. If you like this video, then you should subscribe the channel. Don't forget to follow us in order to know more about the competitive programming. Till then, have a happy coding.